back here through Carpenter, and Dunbar are going to make contact. Caution flag going to come out. Pop's leading the way out of turn 4.
Are you going to work?
Green, green, green. Green flag is out, and we're underway. 1 lap in the books, 4 laps left to go. Addison Rhodes going to lead the way in the 002. Second spot's still going to be Stephen Lusher. Into turn 1 goes Addison Rhodes. Stephen Lusher trying to run him down to that second spot. Third spot is still Corbin Kincaid. Aaliyah Jarvis in the 4th spot. The Wild Child going to lose the handle. Come on back around here. Come on. Keep coming, keep coming, keep coming. There you go. Clear, clear, clear. Good job, Stephen. 2 laps left to go for Addison Rhodes. Down the back straightaway for the final time. Addison Rhodes, oh, she's going to get caught up in the lap car. Abrasive action for Corbin Kincaid. Into 3 and 4 for the final time. Checkered flag is out. Give the feature win to Addison Rhodes. Stephen Lusher, the Wild Child, going to come home in the 2nd spot. Oh, he's going to lose the handle on it one more time. Get her turned around. Come on, Stephen. You're still good. Get her turned around. Get her turned around. Come on across the line, buddy. Still got 2nd. Come on. Checker flag on the 10. See and Adam Tony Pro Late Models, I need you in the chute for your feature event. See and Adam Tony Pro Late Models, I need you in the chute for your feature event. Make some noise for her out of Midway, West Virginia. Picking up the mini wedge feature win is Addison Rhodes. $50-50. We have a winning ticket. $50-50. Orange ticket. If you have this number, you'll make your way to the front straight away. Press box, the first door you come to when you come up the steps. They'll have your money waiting. $452. Number 639123. 639123.